All right, so let's say part 2 we have voice here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna share this code, the diamond shape, okay, on Git. So now in Eclipse, you require to log on to Git and create your Git repository. But before we do that, okay, I'm going to just go to GitHub for now. Before you do that, I want to make sure you understand all the commands, the step that we understand in our class. So let's pull that cheat sheet, right, for Git. So because it's pretty much the same thing, okay? Like, remember when you first time you have to do git init, right? So in Eclipse, to do git init, like for example, if I want to share that, I just right click, go to team, share project. Right, so when you just need to create a directory where you want to initialize your git, just like when you do command cd to that location and do git init and hit create. So this is pretty much just going to initialize your git location. It's just, I just pick that folder, right? And then hit finish, it's going to initialize it. So now we're going to share diamond here, right? So same thing, I already initialized that, right? Just like you see if I go to team, then you have the command, which is the next command is what? Git commit, right? Git status just show the status, right? Git add, yeah. So we gonna see git commit and git add. So before we actually commit, we need to add, right? So I'm going to right click and do team. Now when you do commit, it's going to show you here where you want to do add. You have to choose the file in this location because I happen to have the same location, so a lot of files there, right? That's a source let. So this is a diamond. Let's see if I see it right there, right? So this is the area we call staged. Like when you add, it's go to staged. Okay, just like when you type git add, right? Add file to staging area, right? So this is drag and drop, right? So then we actually do the commit command here, right? Because when you right click, it's just going to take you to this page, right? To commit, which is like a step to commit, you have to add and then commit. So now commit, we can commit locally. So it's going to be on your local machine, right? Or you can commit and push. It's going to push at the same time. It's just like you do git commit, and then you can do git remote and git push at the same time. Or if you just do git commit, right? So now I'm going to show you, first I need to do init, right? So this is like where you put the message right there, right? Okay, initialize. So like first time to create this repository. So I'm going to put the commit and push at the same time. Okay, so now I just commit and try to push. And actually, since I didn't change my origin master, so it's having to push into the same ISO select triangle.get, which in this case I already create that repo. Like if you didn't create that repo, you are supposed to come and sign in, right, to your GitHub, and then do create a repository here, right? Source let. Now you see I add 2 more, right? 2 projects merged, right? So this is the new one here. So that's how you use Eclipse to push the code to Git.